Uy, April. Uy, Sheila. Kumusta yung first interview mo?
Nakapasa na ako sa first interview. Bali, last interview ko na ngayon. Pag nakapasa daw ako, pasok na ako.
Wala yun sa akin kasi hindi pa ako nakapasa eh.
Okay lang yun. Marami pa namang opportunity na dadating.
Sana nga.
Sige, balta mo na lang ako.
Sige, bye-bye. Thank you.
Hey, you! Are you looking for a job? It's your time to shine here at Jollibee Enterprises. Are you looking for a job but worrying about your lack of experience, no training, and self-development? Worry no more because we got it all. No experienced applicants are welcome because we got you!
Good morning, applicants. We're now going to start the next step of the hiring process, which is the interview. So, nandito na po ba si Ms. Rodriguez and Agkawili?
Yes po.
Pwede na po kayong pumasok. So, what's your name?
I'm Mira.
So, Ms. Agkawili, what do you expect from this company?
So, Miss Rodriguez, please tell me about yourself.
I am a highly motivated individual with a strong background in analyzing this job po. I am eager to learn and passionate.
Why we should hire you?
You should hire me because I have the skills and experience into this job. What I said, I am eager and passionate.
Okay. So, Miss Rodriguez, we will inform you to the next step.
Good morning, applicants. Bilang nandito kayo ngayon, it means that you are qualified to undergo this company's training. So, training and development is dynamic and evolving. So, brace yourself that the training is not only from distance. So, here's Ms. Cervantes, one of your mentors. Thank you.
So, as your mentor, I am guiding you and providing you towards to become confident and efficient representative for our company. So, dito sa training natin in 2 weeks, mangyayari is gagawin natin yung mga skills na makakatulong sa inyo like yung mga communication skills and active listening, lalo na sa pag-handle ng ating mga customer. So, importante yon. Kaya sa huling assessment natin, doon natin malalaman kung na-adapt nyo ba or na-improve ba yung mga skills nyo na kailangan namin. And in that way, ma-hire namin kayo. So, kaya kailangan galingan nyo. Okay, Miss April, if you understand our training session, can you introduce yourself in Mandarin?
Okay po, ma'am. 下午好，大家，我的名字是罗思睿。
Okay, that's a good start. So, what about you, Mr. Yutan? Sa training natin ngayon, ipapakinggan ako sa inyong customer na galit. So, after nyo mapakinggan to, tatanungin ko kayo kung ano yung mga possible way or paano nyo makahandle yung ganitong customer. So, pakinggan nyo to.
Yung order mo may sira na, tao-noon ang tawag sa inyo, maging responsible naman kayo. Nasaan yung manager yung tanga, pakiusap nga yan.
So, how do you handle this kind of customer?
So, for me, I will still talk to them politely and ask what's the problem. So, and as a customer service, you should let the customer that you are listening to them so that they will address the problem.
Mama, so what about you?
Pananatilihin ko po ang pagiging kalmado at all times and continue to assist the customer until the situation is finally addressed.
Yes, tama naman yung mga sinabi nyo. So, dagdag ko lang is, kapag yung mga ganyang scenario, kung may na-encounter kayong mga ganyang customer, tama naman na explain nyo sa kanila yung mga reason kung bakit hindi agad nasusolusyonan. And yung mga way kung paano natin sila makahandle. Huwag tayong ma-pressure kasi kapag nape-pressure tayo, mas lalong hindi natin makahandle yung mga ganyang customer. Mas lalong magkakaroon ng problema. Kaya unang-una, kailangan pakalmahin muna natin yung sarili para alam natin kung paano yung gagawin. Kapag hindi natin alam yung gagawin, tawagin lang natin yung manager or yung PL natin since nandyan lang naman sila.
Congratulations, you're hired.